Dear students, welcome to Social Science YouTube channel. Today, I'm uploading video number 5. So today we are discussing fifth chapter of the history, social and religious reformation movement. So let us discuss the MCQ questions of this chapter. The wrongly matched one is A. Brahma Samaj, Rajaram Mohan Roy, B. Ramakrishna Mission, Swami Vivekananda, C. Prarthana Samaj, Atmaram Pandurang, D. Satya Shodhak Samaj, M.G. Ranade. Yes, the correct answer is Satya Shodhak Samaj, M.G. Ranade. So first three are correctly matched. Brahma Samaj is founded by Rajaram Mohan Roy. Ramakrishna Mission is founded by Swami Vivekananda. Prarthana Samaj is founded by Atmaram Pandurang. Whereas the Satya Shodhak Samaj is founded by Jyotiba Phule. So the wrongly matched one is Satya Shodhak Samaj, M.G. Ranade. M.G. Ranade actually belonged to the Prarthana Samaj. The second question is, the 19th century is called as the A. Reformations and New Awakening period, century of political problems, age of revolutionaries, modern age in India. Yes, children, the correct answer is Reformation and New Awakening period. The periodical by Rajaram Mohan Roy was, so periodical means newspaper. The newspaper started by Rajaram Mohan Roy was A. Kesari, B. Samvada Kaumudi, C. New India, D. Commonwealth. Yes, the correct answer is Samvada Kaumudi. So actually the Kesari was started by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. New India and Commonwealth were started by Annie Besant. So the answer is Samvada Kaumudi. Indian women remember William Bentinck even today because he A. opened a school for girls, B. abolished sati system, C. encouraged widow remarriage, D. banned child marriage. Yes, children, you are correct. The correct answer is abolish sati system. Rajaram Mohan Roy requested Lord William Bentinck to do something to abolish sati system. That time he passed Abolition of Sati System Act. Rajaram Mohan Roy started A. Atmiya Sabha, B. Anubhav Mantapa, C. Theosophical Society, D. Young Bengal Movement. Yes, children, the correct answer is Atmiya Sabha. The rest of the things, Anubhav Mantapa, you learned last year, Basavanna started. Theosophical Society was started by Madam Blavatsky and Colonial Alcott, whereas Young Bengal Movement was started by Henry D'Orazio. So the correct answer is Rajaram Mohan Roy started Atmiya Sabha. The next question is, Rajaram Mohan Roy was called as the prophet of Indian nationalism by A. Gandhiji, B. Vivekananda, C. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Yes, children, the correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore called him as a prophet of Indian nationalism and also harbinger of social movement and etc. Henry Louis Vivian D'Orazio started the A. Home Rule League movement, B. Cow protection movement, C. Young Bengal movement, D. Self-respect movement. Yes, children, you are correct. He started the Young Bengal movement. So Home Rule League movement was started by Annie Besant at Adyar, whereas Bal Gangadhar Tilak at Pune. Cow protection movement was started by Dayananda Saraswati, whereas self-respect movement was started by Periyar. Derasio had to resign from his teaching post because of A. The pressure from his colleagues and opponents. B. Is ill health. C. Is interest in studies on Vedas. D. The pressure from government to return back to England. The correct answer is the pressure from his colleagues and opponents. So Derasio was very popular among the students. Day by day, even upper class people started to follow the Derasio, especially their children started to follow Derasio. This was not liked by the people. They put pressure on the college authority to take resignations from Derasio. So due to the pressure from his colleagues and opponents, he had to give the resignation. Satyartha Prakasha was written by A. Dayananda Saraswati, B. Dr. Atmaram Pandurang, C. Swami Vivekananda, D. E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar. Yes, children, the correct answer is Dayananda Saraswati. He wrote Satyartha Prakasha. The radical leader who was influenced by Arya Samaj was A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B. Bipin Chandrapal, C. Arvindo Ghosh, D. Lala Lajpat Rai. Yes, children, the correct answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. So Lala Lajpat Rai, he was very much influenced by Arya Samaj and Dayananda Saraswati. 11, question number 11. Back to Vedas, call was given by A. Dayananda Saraswati, B. Mahadeva Govinda Ranade, C. Jyotiba Phule, it's D. Rajaram Mohan Roy. Yes, the correct answer is A. Dayananda Saraswati. He gave call back to Vedas because he believed that the remedies for all the social problems of India are in Vedas. Therefore, he asked the people back to Vedas to find the solutions for social remedies, social problems. Shuddhi movement aimed at A. Reconversion of people, B. Conversion of people, C. Popularization of Vedas, D. Education for common people. Yes, children, the correct answer is reconversion of people. Many Indians converted into Islamic religion and Christianity. They wanted to come back to Hinduism. Therefore, Swami Dayananda Saraswati started Shuddhi movement to reconvert the people, those who converted into other religion. Cow Protection Association was started by A. Rajaram Mohan Roy, B. Mahadev Govinda Ranade, C. Jyotiba Phule, it's D. Dayananda Saraswati. Yes, the correct answer is D. Dayananda Saraswati. To protect the cow, he started an association called Cow Protection Association. Along with Shuddhi movement, he started this one also. The founder of Pratana Samaj is A. Dr. Atmaram Pandurang, B. Henry Louis Vivian Derasio, C. Swami Vivekananda, D. Jyotiba Phule. Yes, the correct answer is A. Dr. Atmaram Panduranga. He founded Pratana Samaj. Satyashodak Samaj was founded by A. Dr. Atmaram Pandurang, B. Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, C. Swami Vivekananda. It's D. Jyotiba Phule. Yes, children, the correct answer is B. Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. Savitri Bai and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar were associated with A. The Brahma Samaj, B. The Ramakrishna Mission, C. Prarthana Samaj, it's D. Satyashodak Samaj. Yes, children, the correct answer is D. The Satyashodak Samaj. Actually, Savitri Bai, she was the wife of Jyotiba Phule, and also she was the first women teacher of India. Gulamagiri and Shatkarayacha Ashut were written by A. Dr. Atmaram Pandurang, B. Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, C. Swami Vivekananda, it's D. Jyotiba Phule. Yes, children, you are correct. You are correct. The answer is D. Jyotiba Phule. Yeah, here two options are correct. B. Mahatma Jyotiba Phule and Jyotiba Phule, both are same. Both are correct answers. The common man who helped Chennamma to fight against the British. This is the question of previous chapter. A. Dondiya Vak, B. Putta Basappa, C. Sanguli Rayanna, it's D. Venkatappa Nayak. The correct answer is Sanguli Rayanna. The Anglo-Oriental College was established at A. Varanasi, B. Lahore, the C. Adyar, D. Aligarh. So the correct answer is Aligarh. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan started this Anglo-Oriental College to provide Western education for Muslim. So now it is called as a Aligarh Islamic University. Aligarh Reformation movement was started by Dr. Atmaram Pandurang, B. Anna Besant, C. Swami Vivekananda, D. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The correct answer is D. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The founder of Ramakrishna Mission is A. Swami Vivekananda, B. Anna Besant, C. Jyotiba Phule, it's D. Rajaram Mohan Rai. The correct answer is A. Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda founded Ramakrishna Mission to spread teachings of his spiritual guru Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Swami Vivekananda established Ramakrishna Mission in order to A. Spread Indian culture all over the world, popularize Hinduism in the world, spread Hinduism all over the world, propagate the ideals of his teacher. So the answer is D. Propagate the ideals of his teacher Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. The one who responds the poor is Mahatma, and the one who does not is Duratma. This is stated by A. Narayan Guru, B. Dr. Atmaram Panduranga, C. Swami Vivekananda, D. E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar. The correct answer is C. Swami Vivekananda. The founder of Theosophical Societies were A. Madam Blavatsky and Colonel H.S. Alcott, Madam Blavatsky and Annie Besant and Colonel H.S. Alcott, Annie Besant and Mother Teresa. Yeah. Most of the children, they get confused. The founder of Theosophical Society, they'll write Annie Besant. But actually, it is founded by Madam Blavatsky and Colonel H.S. Alcott. Annie Besant popularized Theosophical Society. Annie Besant was called as a Sweta Saraswati because she A. translated Bhagavad Gita to English, B. was from Europe, C, was well educated. D, started Banaras Hindu College. The correct answer is she translated Bhagavad Gita to English. Therefore, she was called popularly Shweta Saraswati. And she had knowledge of Vedas. Home Rule movement was started by A. Mahatma Gandhi ji, B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, C. Annie Besant, it's D. Subhash Chandra Bose. The correct answer is Annie Besant. She started Home Rule League movement to get home government for India. So the concept of Home Rule League movement was first started in Ireland. The people of Ireland demanded for home government from England. They were successful. Therefore, the same idea was implemented in India by Annie Besant in Adyar, whereas Bal Gangadhar Tilak in Pune. Self-respect movement was led by Narayan Guru, Dr. Atmaram Panduranga, Swami Vivekananda, E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar. The correct answer is E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar. He was also popularly called as a Periyar. He started the self-respect movement. The movement started by Narayan Guru to provide entry for untouchable is Vayakam movement, self-respect movement, Mahad movement, Home Rule movement. The correct answer is Vayakam movement. Even so, Periyar and Mahatma Gandhi ji took part in this movement. They supported Narayan Guru and also they tried to eradicate practice of untouchability through this Vayakam movement. As a result of this Vayakam movement, the people of Kerala got entry to Guruvayur temple. Untouchable got entry to Guruvayur temple. The national leader who participated in Vayakam movement was A. Mahatma Gandhi ji, B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, C. Annie Besant, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Yeah, I've told you in the previous question. Yes, this was Mahatma Gandhi ji supported Vayakam movement. The periodical started by E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar was Harijan, Young India, New India, and Justice Periodical. So the correct answer is Justice Periodical. It was started by E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar. Thank you, children. So for more videos, subscribe to this channel. And also, I have given the link in description box of previous videos. If you haven't seen the previous videos, you can go to the description box, click on the link, then you'll go back to the videos. So for more videos, subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon. Tomorrow I will upload next video. Thank you.